Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to add baggage in AirAsia. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to add baggages or additional baggages on your flight here with AirAsia, well, this one is quite simple. Now, the thing with AirAsia is they now have what we call a chatbot. Now, the chatbot here is named as Bo. So at the bottom right of the screen, inside AirAsia's official website, which is airasia.com, and also, by the way, you may need to log in into your account in order for you to make this purchase or add-on. But yeah, so once you've logged in, usually at the top right, you should see Bo or chat with Bo at the bottom right. Let's go and just click on it. Now, from here, what we need to do is to just wait for a while, and you want to go and type in the following. So just mention purchase add on. Now, just make sure that it is correctly spelled. Just going to just press enter, or just click on the send button here, and it's going to load up the options that you could choose from. Now remember, Bo here is a chatbot, so it might take a while to get the result, or the in this case the response here. So it's going to say I can help you with purchasing add-on. So in this case, you want to go and copy the add extra baggage to your booking option. Let's go and just type it in, or you can just copy it and paste it, press enter, wait for a while. And from then on, it's going to give you some information here, like for example, increasing your baggage allowance, and you may need to basically follow a few things here. So if your flight is like 48 hours, so you're contacting or chatting with Bo here 48 hours before your flight, they will be able, or the chatbot here will be able to assist you with making the purchase. But before that, you may need to provide your 6-character booking number, or your AirAsia flight, or your 11-character other airlines here, for other airlines, so under booking number in your itinerary. And once you provided the airline or AirAsia flight, or the airline number, or your booking number here, they'll be able to give you the link and also further instructions on how to exactly book your baggage. Now, usually, typically, they will just give you a link that you can just click, and it will redirect you to the baggage allowance or additional add-on baggage allowance page, and you just need to make sure that you choose the correct one, like 10 kilo, 15, 20, depends on your preference. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.